So right brain excels of unfocused meaning, it is creative mind, and left brain is the logical mind. तो हमें creative mind को हम activate करते हैं, and creative mind gets activated during the alpha stage and not during the beta stage. Beta stage में भी नहीं कह सकते कि creativity नहीं होती है, पर हमें बट ये ज्यादा लॉजिकल होता है, तो क्रिएटिविटी को कभी कभी इट हिंडर्स, स्टॉप्स ऑल्सो. सो हम जब हिप्नोथेरेपी कर रहे होते हैं तो हम राइट ब्रेन पे ज्यादा फोकस रहता है हमारा. बॉडी इज इनविजिबल माइंड, your biology, neurochemistry, neurohormones, even your genetic expression is influenced by how you think, how you act, how you feel, and that is what you become. Emotion, इसका अगर expand करिए, emotion is energy in motion. Emotion is energy in motion. Nerve cells that fire together, wire together. So जो बात हम बार बार सोचते रहते हैं, तो similar nerve cells in the brain get activated, and when they get activated, they come together. So हमेशा फायरिंग एंड स्पार्किंग होती रहती है आपके ब्रेन में, क्योंकि जैसे कोई नर्व सेल एक्टिवेट हुआ वो स्पार्क करता है. सो जब सिमिलर सेल्स रोज एक्टिवेट होंगे तो वो आपस में दे वायर टुगेदर, दे मेक अ पाथ, एंड दैट इज व्हाट न्यूरो पाथवे इज. तो इट विल हैपन. अगर आप फोबिक हैं, रोज उसी से फोबिया आपको हो रहा है, डर लग रहा है, तो आपका वो न्यूरो पाथवे बन जाएगा. डिप्रेशन है तो वो न्यूरो पाथवे बनेगा, हैप्पीनेस है तो हैप्पीनेस का पाथवे बनेगा. By the age of 35, you become a set of memorized behaviors, unconscious habits, automatic reactions, beliefs and prescriptions, attitudes and habits, just like a computer program. So, ये मैं बहुत briefly आपको बता देती हूँ, ये भी आपको अपनी किताब में नहीं मिलेगा. The 4 hormones which are very important, and we are actually, it has not been given in any hypnotherapy book, but during hypnotherapy we are trying to release all the hormones: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin. So ये dopamine, जैसे when you appreciate, the dopamine is released. When you feel accomplished, getting things you want in life, rushes with pleasure, music early in the morning, all these are create dopamine. So during hypnotherapy also, we create a positive environment for yourself. We create a positive environment where you appreciate yourself, you love yourself, you hug yourself. ये सब हम create करते हैं hypnotherapy में भी. और जैसे ये hormones release होंगे, because now the hormones will release, and the hormones will release, your physiology will start changing, your chemistry will start changing, you will start becoming different, and you all have noticed and experienced it. It happens within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Serotonin, service to people. Okay. So serotonin में, सेरोटोनिन तब रिलीज होता है जब हम सोशल वर्क जैसे होता है. सोशल वर्क में सेरोटोनिन बहुत रिलीज होता है, because your goal is larger than life. So if you make a goal which is larger than life, then you are likely to release serotonin. तो ये जितने पॉजिटिव हार्मोन्स हैं, ये आपके एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं by different experiences. So या तो हम मेडिसिन दे के ये सारे हार्मोन्स रिलीज करें, या हम आपको ऐसी मेंटल स्टेट क्रिएट कर दें कि ये हमारे सारे हार्मोन्स रिलीज हो. दैट इज व्हाई all the medicines are inside. Do you remember my statement that all the medicines are inside you? You can create a mental state to create these hormones. And through hypnotherapy, we create a mind and body state in which these hormones are released. Okay. Built-in mechanism. So what is the built-in mechanism? Your body and mind have a built-in mechanism your body and mind have a built-in mechanism to deal with stress. For example, butterfly. या आपका अपना बच्चा जब पैदा होता प्रोसीजर्स एक नॉर्मल डिलीवरी और एक होती है सिजेरियन डिलीवरी. I think you all are aware about it, that if the child comes out through the normal delivery, the child is stronger, physically and mentally stronger, because it has taken its own fight to come out. And that the child has a built-in mechanism to deal with the stress. Similarly, when the caterpillar is changing into butterfly, if you cut that jelly, you see how hard effort the caterpillar is making to come out of that cocoon and become a butterfly. And a boy cut that cocoon, chalo main help kar दूं, to gone. So trust your body and mind and make a powerful statement. I trust my body, I trust my mind and body together prepare me to deal with the challenges of life. This is again a very powerful statement that I have given in my book also. I trust my body, and this is my own creation. I trust my body, I trust my mind and body together prepare me to deal with the challenges of life. अगर ये आप रोज journaling करने लगे इसकी, then you can feel a lot of changes in yourself.